It's the people that were raised right, like I was, that made better choices. You know, made something of themselves, went to church, got married young, raised their children, white picket fence, never did no wrong, never smoked a joint, that offer me advice about how or what I should do, that my friends who are in prison serving life, murderers, drug dealers, bank robbers, all that good shit, they're going to offer me advice and tell me what they think I should do. Listen, Whitey, I get it. You're probably called by the church, some higher calling. I get it. But I've seen dudes like you fall in love with a little dope whore and lose their whole fucking empire, okay, for a piece of pussy because they thought they loved her. She was a little younger than you. And the whole time, she was fucking 3 other dudes, guys like me. And you were just a mark. So before you offer up advice, won't you stick to your game plan, bro? I'm not being mad. I'm trying to help you out. Because you'll dive off in some shit and get dirty for the first time in your life. God bless you. Fluent English.